My name is Maureen, and I started coming to Dr. Gary Olson's office about 2 months ago. I was basically unable to stand upright. I was barely able to walk, and I was in excruciating pain. I made an emergency appointment. They took me in right away. The staff has been wonderful. They've been very kind. They've been very sympathetic. And Dr. Gary Olson is just an amazing chiropractor. He knew exactly what my problem was, and he was very sympathetic to the fact that I was in a lot of pain. And he worked with me to try to bring my pain down and try to increase my comfort. And I've just been working with him for the past 2 months, and I've been getting better and better. I highly recommend contacting his office. I think he's a great chiropractor, and I think his staff is great.